Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Another week, another video. I'm on a roll. Hey guys, hope you're having an amazing day. For today's video, I thought I would record a client's makeup session and show you guys my favorite products to use when it comes to getting that long-lasting makeup that photographs beautifully throughout the day. It's perfect for weddings or any event. If you enjoy videos like this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. With that being said, let's get right into the video. Okay, so first I'm going in with my Cover FX Mattifying Primer. This is a holy grail when it comes to helping makeup last all night without looking greasy. I use this on all my bridal clients, whether they're the wedding guest or bride themselves. Next, for a beautiful dewy look, I like going in with this Tom Ford Dewdrops underneath the makeup. I don't know how it happens, but throughout the night after wearing the makeup for a few hours, these dewdrops start showing through and make your skin look even better. Also, a bonus is that it looks absolutely amazing in pictures. For the foundation, I like mixing in my Maybelline Fit Me and Nars Radiant foundation and blending it in with a beauty blender to make sure her skin doesn't look cakey. A big tip with foundation to not let it look cakey is just blend it in with a beauty blender and make sure the foundation is very thin, and then everything else on top is also going to be thin too, and that's what's going to create that really nice non-cakey base. Next, you sort of put that Laniege Lip Mask on just to prepare the lips for that lipstick. And for the concealer, I'm using my favorite Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in Custard. I trust this guy with my whole heart when it comes to wearing long-lasting makeup. It stays on all night and still looks flawless. To contour her face, I'm using my RCMA palette in the shade Shinto and blending both middle shades to contour her forehead, cheekbones, and jawline. So now I'm going in with my Morphe concealer brush under the eyes because I don't want to get rid of that full coverage look. That's why I'm not going to be using the beauty blender. If I were to use a beauty blender, it would be more of a natural everyday look, which is not what we're going for today. And I'm going in with a bigger brush now to blend in the contour with the concealer. That was also from Morphe, I believe. And using my holy grail powder, my Mercier Translucent powder under the eyes and over the nose. Again, to make sure the oils stay locked away for the day. I pack it on. This stuff is just my all-time favorite. Don't want to use anything else because I just believe in this one so much. And then for the eyes, I'm using my new Jouer Cosmetics Tan Line palette using the Heatwave color, which is a peachy brown shade as my transition, and just really packing that color on. Next, I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette and using the Cypress Amber brown shade, I believe that's what it's called, as our eyeliner to intensify the eyes. Next, I am going back into my Jouer palette and using the Tankini shade, which is a beautiful orangey red gold shimmer shade, all on the lid. It just looks absolutely beautiful and I love this palette so much. Back to the face real quick, I'm going to go ahead and remove the excess powder. And then using a bigger fluffy brush, just going to gently set the rest of her face with very, very minimal powder on the brush. And then back to the eyes, I'm using that same Cypress Amber shade and going underneath her eyes and pretty much lining it, again, to create that very intense look that looks beautiful in pictures. And then we're going to go ahead and smoke it out with the Jouer Cosmetics tan line palette in the shade Heat Wave. Next, I just like going in with a nice swipe and cleaning out her eyebrows. That's why I like doing the eyebrows last, just to make sure there isn't any other products in there. And then using my Anastasia Brow Wiz, I'm just feathering out her eyebrows and lightly stroking to fill in any empty spaces. And as you can see, her eyebrows are pretty full, so I didn't have to do much here, but just again, lightly feathering them in. Back to the face, I'm using my Hoola bronzer to contour her cheekbones, then taking MAC's Give Me Sun, again one of my favorite bronzers, to just bronze up her face a bit more. Then I'm using my MAC's blush in Peaches, another one of my absolute favorites. And my camera heated up, but all I did was use the translucent powder to cut out her cheekbones and clean up a bit for a nice, sharp, contoured look. Next, I'm using another favorite, my Ofra Cosmetics highlighter in Rodeo Drive. Love, love, love this highlighter. Definitely a favorite of mine and one I always go to for that nice, dewy, glowy finish without looking, sweaty or, just a good glow. Next, I'm using my Dior Backstage highlight palette, using that pink shade right there as a blush topper. Absolutely gorgeous and perfect for taking pictures. It just looks phenomenal on the skin. Alright, for the lips, using my Makeup Forever lip pencil, and I believe that was Forever Walnut to line the lips. Then going in with my Buxom lipstick in shade, I'm not too sure, but I'll go ahead and list it below for you guys. And then using my Marc Jacobs black liner in her waterline and finishing off with my Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. And there you have it. A beautiful look that will last all night long through all the dancing and all the sweating and look so amazing in pictures. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you want to see more videos like this, please like this video, hit that subscribe button, and leave me a comment down below with suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time, my rubies. Bye!